Hello and welcome to How I Make Money Writing Articles from $150 to $200 per article. I am Muhammad Tahir Taus, a front-end developer and blogger. In this video course, I will share my own experience how I have been making money writing articles since December 2013. Remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. There isn't any simple and easy way to make money online. You will have to work hard. I will share my own experience, and if you will follow all steps, I bet you will be making money writing articles. Article writing, also known as guest blogging or guest posting. Most people believe you cannot make money from guest blogging, but this is not true. There are some bloggers who will pay you for guest posts as well. So, how much money you can earn writing articles? It can be anywhere from $25 to 500 plus per article. As a beginner, you can earn from 25 to $100 per article. So how much money I earn from single article? I normally earn $150 for list article or general article and $200 for detailed tutorial. I was paid $400 to $800 for in-depth and lengthy articles as well. So no, it's not possible to earn $800 from a single article. Tahir, are you lying? So let me clarify how I made $800 from a single article. It's possible to earn $800 per article, but it depends on the length of article, quality of article, type of article, your experience, and finally website where you will submit your article. So this is my first $800 article, Faster Workflow Mastering Amit. Amit is a plugin for text editors, and all those people who are interested in web design and development might know Amit. You can install this plugin on Sublime Text and many other popular code editors. This article was published as a 4-part series. It was a long article, almost 3,500 words, and for every single article I was paid $200. So I made totally $800 from this article. Another article was published in 2 parts. So how to create an invoice with Twitter Bootstrap, and I was paid $400. Do you use WordPress? WordPress is most popular content management system to create websites, and I have been writing articles about WordPress for almost 1 year. And here you can see my recent article, 2-step verification for WordPress using Google Authenticator. I was paid $200 for this article. This is another article, best free contact form plugins. This is a list article, and for this WordPress article, I was paid $150. Remember, not all websites will pay you $150 or $200 for WordPress article. Some websites will pay $50 and some 100, and there are some websites that will pay more than $300 per article about WordPress and other web design related topics. Knowledge, experience, and skills required. Experience as writer not required but will be very helpful. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know English and patience for sharing your knowledge. So how much time it takes to write an article? It depends on the type of article and your experience and knowledge. Sometimes you can write an article within few hours, and sometimes it may take several days. What is the rate of single article? It can be anywhere from $25 to $500 per article. Remember, it depends on the quality, length, and type of article and website where you will submit your article. I normally earn $150 to $200 per article. So what kind of content websites are looking for? You can write about web design and development, health, food, family, fashion, list articles about unusual and interesting things, freelancing, blogging, marketing, general knowledge, entertainment, lifestyle, science, politics, religion. What type of articles you can write? We will discuss everything in detail. 10 plus type of articles that you can write, and you will also learn how to format your articles, maximum and minimum length of quality articles, and what type of articles are easy to write plus best rates, 50 plus websites you can submit your articles, and what kind of articles you can write, different topics, and how much money you can earn every month. To be honest, it can be anywhere from $200 to $600 for list articles and up to $800 per tutorials, for 4 tutorials, because not every website will pay you $200 for single article. Some website will pay $25, some will pay $100, and some will even pay $300 per article or more. You will also learn how to create and submit an invoice to get paid, different ways to receive online payments, PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and others. And what if PayPal is not supported in your country? We will discuss PayPal alternatives and solutions. The most important question: will this course work for you? And why you should not join this video course? Yes, this course will work for you if you are not afraid of writing and you are not afraid of learning some new skills and new things. You just need to know English, and we will share everything else. We will teach you how you can make money writing articles. But if you are not interested in writing or you don't want to write articles, then this course is not for you. Please don't join this video course. And remember, this course comes with 100% money back guarantee. If you think this is not for you, you can ask me for a refund. So let's start learning, writing, and earning. I hope you will be joining this course. I am your instructor Muhammad Tahir Taus. Thank you very much for watching this video.